In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to print out a daily itemized report on a Sam4s ER-900 series cash register. We're using the 945 raise key model. So let's begin by making sure you're using the correct key. I'm using the one with the letter P, but you can also use the one with the letter Z as in zebra, okay? So go ahead and turn the key to the Z position, which is report mode. Then press on the number 3 and the subtotal key. This will print out an itemized report, so you can see on here. And don't forget to put back the key to register mode at the end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our website at calbizpos.com.